Okay, so I have this idea. I've never done anything like this before, but I think we can do it. I want to build a t-shirt cannon. Why? For that, we've got to go back to the beginning. No, not that far. Back to 2023. Ever since I've been on staff at Faith Like Birds, we've had the Dream Vault. The Dream Vault is where we put our goals and things that we want from the ministry and our craziest outside of the box dreams. It's meant to encourage us to dream with the Lord and continue to imagine where the ministry is going. I remember vividly that one of the first ideas that I had when Brian and Michaela introduced this to me was that I wanted a t-shirt cannon at the Shout. I just thought it would be awesome, and if it gets kids excited and involved at the Shout, then great. Well, a few years went by and the idea just stayed on the board as something that I wanted to do, but never really got around to doing. That was until June, when we met with Will Hart, a close friend of ours, to dream about the ministry and think about where it could be. I ended up bringing up this idea to Will and was kind of discouraged at the price of t-shirt cannons, and he just said, why don't you build one? And it was like a light bulb went off. I couldn't believe that I hadn't thought of actually building one, but I guess that's because I've never done anything like this before, besides building Legos. So today is day one of building a t-shirt cannon for the Shout Youth Conference. Here's the plan. Watch this transition. I smack the board, and then when I smack the board again after I write it, and it's gonna just be there. It's gonna be epic. Here's the plan. Here's the plan. Each month, I will be coming out with a video on the progress and testing of the cannon. I'm planning to use Brian as the subject for the cannon's power, and I will be vlogging every step of the journey, as well as behind the scenes content with the media team. And make sure to subscribe and follow our socials, because we are going to be needing your help as well. I want you guys to get involved in voting on the design, the color, and different patterns that will be on it. So please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from us, and make sure to go follow us on Instagram and Facebook so you can see the shorter updates as well throughout these next couple months. Guys, I'm super excited about this idea, and I hope you are too. I really just want the fun that we will have in this series to really point towards Jesus, since he is where our joy comes from in the first place. We've got 6 months until the Shout Youth Conference, so I will keep you guys posted in these coming videos. Thank you so much for watching to this point. It really means a lot. But yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Later.